What is going on, my party people? It's Emoneyshoes, and we are back in Waikiki and say wacky. Y'all can see it's pretty quiet out here. Just left my peeps at Foot Locker, Waikiki. Shout out to Jules, Keith, Eric, and all of them down there. Always holding it down as usual. Still pretty nice and sunny, y'all can see. Got the palm trees, all of that stuff. Nice blue sky. Y'all already know what it is. Brick by brick, it's Mr. K04. Back up in this thing tomorrow, y'all already know. Past the heat. Tomorrow, pre-battle face-off, Go Weezy versus BX. Make sure y'all in the building. You know, I'm probably about 10 away from 6K. I'm excited. 4,000 more to hit that 10K. Tell a family member, friend of a friend, Auntie Hon.Hi, subscribe to the channel. Yes, I gotta get through better on this stuff, but I like to just give you the video straight, raw, dog. No intro, no outro. Let's get to it, shall we? As you can see, this is a women's Jordan. They've been doing the women pretty good this year. Women's Air Jordan 1 mid. Most time you see that white box, you know it's a women's shoe. This is a 10.5, which is a size 10.5 is a, what is that, 9 in men. So 10.5, 9. So just the retail price, 115 in the thing. And you can see the colorway: white, dark powder, blue, white. So you already know what time it is. You got your stamper wrap up there. You got your 23 paper. And look at these beauties right here. The lady said, you should do more reviews for the ladies. So here you go, ladies. Just for bam, you. Very dope pair of mids. Let's look at that, spin it around. Spin it around. Woo, doggy. Very dope. Turn it underneath. You got that UNC Carolina blue underneath. Come around on the toe bar. Let's get a little push and usher now. Not tumble rumble, but leather right here is pretty soft, pretty nice and soft. And the birds are in right? Then you got that hair on the tongue with that jump in. You got your white laces, pretty good nylon white laces. Nylon tongue coming around. You got that UNC blue, all nice. You got the Air Jordan right down the side with the TM trademark. Come around on the back. You got more. This is kind of a little bit hard right here for the ankle support, but these go up to a 12 for the men. So I might go back and actually get me a personal pair. We'll see. See, the stitching is kind of wide on the back side of here. On the side, you got more of these blue hits. And again, like I said right here, you got this Carolina blue. It's pretty much a white and blue shoe, but you already know for once you get a Carolina colorway, it's always dope. As you can see, 10-2, 19-2, 11, 19, 19. Inside, you do have your shoe tree. You can see these are DS's, like they never even been tried on. Let's see what the shoe tree says in here. Shoe tree has 8.5 to 10. Then you pull it out, you see you got the Carolina blue insole with the white jump. Man, so a very clean shoe in my opinion. What y'all think? I think it's very clean. Maybe a lace swap might be warranted, but maybe not necessary. Just depending on what you want to do with the shoe. You leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know what you think about this shoe. On a little bit meter on the scale, out of 1 to 5, I give it about a 4.7. I think it's a very dope, very well shoe. The leather's pretty good. It's a very clean shoe. I'm gonna keep monitoring this and see what they got. I may have to go back and get this and add this to build up my mid collection. So again, you leave a comment suggestion below. Let me know, is this a clean shoe on no look pass, or you just don't come in your size, so you just wouldn't grab this shoe. So other than that, thanks for all the love and support. Like I said, Emoneyshoes, brick by brick. We're trying to make moves. Next milestone step, we're gonna try to push to 7,500, and like again, by the end of the year, we want to try to hit that 10K. So you feel me? So brick by brick, KO4, Emoneyshoes. Be safe. I'm out.